Okay, Caddy 214 Toyota Hiace, and we are installing this on the back window. Some of the fasteners that came with, we can use these, but we're not going to be using these. So I'm going to lift it up into position, mark it. I'm going to mark this one and this one. This part here jumps over this. See, jumps over that. So really we just have to work on attaching it around here. So to do that, I'm going to go for this mark here, and put those ones in first, and then line everything else up. Wish me luck. Alright. Okay, that looks pretty square. Oh, this is not easy. Okay, my mark is good there. No, it's not. Where is it? There it is. Okay. Alright, that looks fairly square. Okay, now hold it up above your head, balance it, line up 2 screw holes, rotate your body, flex, grab the screw from the bench whilst holding it above your head and balancing it, and insert one of the screws on the correct angle that the hole is drilled, as not to strip the threads or cross thread the screw that you're trying to put in, whilst holding it above your head in place. 50% achieved. Now working on the other side. Okay. Adding excess weight to the tailgate. Struts will have to be improved. Okay, using my new Timu pen. See the extended nozzle? Alright, time for a little bit of flexing. So we're going to push this center in. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we've got all our marks. Let's balance it and take it down again, and drill the rest of the holes. Let them drop. Down she comes. I've had to use a stick to prop it up because I've added a little bit of weight, which is the upholstery on this, which is not much, but then this as well, and these are the original struts, 5 years, and now they're cooked. This one here I was a little bit off on, so I just bent it down a bit. I've used my nut certs, all the screws are in, so now it's just a matter of screwing it in. Typical Timu. Now, where's my special tool? This is good for persuasion. Let's get that on there. There we go. Slight tweak down. Perfect. Making sure we go in square and not cross-threading. Beautiful. Okay, and there we have it. Part number 214 from Caddy. They did me a good deal on these ones, but that's it. Nothing will hit it. Nobody can break into it. Take that off. I will have to upgrade my struts. You probably won't have to do that. That's just because my ones are 5 years old and they've given up. They're original. So that's what it looks like installed. Pretty cool. Thanks for watching.